Okay, the Maytag wash is back in the shop again because it constantly says it's out of balance. This is the Maytag commercial version. I've got the model number over there. You know which one I'm talking about, the one that's always broke. Well, it started going unbalanced every load no matter what I put in there. And this is how I'm going to attempt to fix it. A couple of years ago, I noticed I had a screw that was on the ground under here and I didn't think anything of it. But now all of a sudden it's out of balance. And I had purchased this screw for $10, I think. I'll leave a link in the description. And this is a screw that was missing. I'm going to tighten it up. You're going to need an Allen key with the star kind of pattern to put that screw in. But this is the screw that is causing the unbalanced situation, I'm pretty sure. So if you have a Maytag washer that's constantly saying it's out of balance, you got to tighten this screw up or put the screw in my case, because the screw was gone. But most people will just have to tighten it up. In fact, you should just tighten it up every once in a while, make sure it's tight. They got Loctite on there. So that's what keeps this in there for a little while, but it will come out over time. So if you're having an unbalanced situation, or if you haven't looked under here in a while, make sure the screw is tight. And the screw you can't just buy anywhere. You have to look online. I'll leave a link in the description. And this is for the Maytag, supposedly the commercial quality washer. This washer is about 5 or 6 years old, and you can see that I've had a lot of trouble with, if you check my other videos, this thing's constantly breaking. So hopefully this fixes my out of balance situation. Hopefully it helps somebody. So this is for when your Maytag is out of balance.